How to add transitions in Openshot. Let's create standout scene changes using transitions in Openshot. Here's how to add smooth transitions, whether subtle or dramatic. To begin, drag two video clips onto the timeline and place them on the same track, so the second clip slightly overlaps the first. Openshot automatically adds a default transition when clips overlap. To customize it, click on the transition bar that appears between the clips. Then go to Properties panel to change the type. Choose from options like fade, slide, circle, or band door. Want a mustard theme transition or something stylish? OpenShot lets you import custom transition images or animations using the title editor or by overlaying images with effects. You can also change the direction, duration, and softness of transitions in the Properties panel. Don't forget, you can find more transitions by going to Transitions in the toolbar and dragging your favorite onto the timeline. What's your go-to transition style? Smooth fade or bold pop? Let me know in the comments below. And once you are satisfied, preview the changes and export your project with Flair. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.